Welcome guys to my YouTube channel Sandhu's Wild Fitness. My video is about green exercise. Green exercise means doing workout in natural environment. Outdoor natural green environment reduces stress, mental fatigueness, and it also improves mood. Green environment reduces the stress related hormones. Exercise in natural sunlight improve feelings of well-being and happiness. Another benefit of green exercise is that it boosts level of vitamin D. In addition to this, exercise in green outdoor environment in uneven terrain requires utilization of different muscle groups. Hence, one should also include green exercise in their workout regime. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay fit, stay healthy. Goodbye.